Yo, what is poppin'? It's your boy Sauce from the Viral Kingdom, and today we got another TikTok tutorial. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this time warp scan effect that you've probably seen all over TikTok. It's extremely cool, but you're probably wondering, how do I get this effect? I do not see it anywhere on TikTok, and that is because if you do not live in the UK, you actually can't get this effect, but I'm going to be showing you guys a workaround today. So before we get into it, if you guys could just go down and drop a like on this video and maybe subscribe. I'm on the road to 10,000 subscribers, so it'd really help out the channel. Also, comment down below if you have any questions and if this video helped you out. Without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. So the only other app other than TikTok that you need is Instagram. So most of you guys probably have Instagram downloaded already, which is perfect. So what you want to do is hop on Instagram and then swipe to the left on the homepage. Once you swipe, you'll see this screen right here, and then you just want to keep scrolling all the way to the right till you get to the search bar. Then you want to search time warp scan, and it will be the second option to the right, the one that I clicked on. And bam, that's how you get the effect. Another cool thing about this one compared to the TikTok one is actually you can rotate whether you'd like it to go from the side or up and down. So there's more variation to it than the TikTok effect. So yeah, guys, just save the video and then you can upload it to TikTok and do whatever you would like with it. I've seen a lot of cool TikToks with this effect, so you can definitely be creative with it. Anyways, it's been your boy Sauce from the Viral Kingdom. Make sure you guys subscribe, leave a like, and peace. See you guys later.